Good morning, students. I'm Mrs. Agarwal. Now, today I will be taking your second book, that is Footprints Without Feet. This is your supplementary reader, the very first chapter, A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. Now, I'll be starting with the introduction first. Now, it is an interesting story by James Herriot. It is based on an episode which reflects the silly and sentimental behavior of a rich woman towards her pet dog named Tricky. She pampers and overfeeds her dog. As a consequence, the dog falls seriously ill and has to be sent to a veterinary surgeon. The story tells us how the dog is cured without an operation. The whole narrative is full of fun and humor. Now, let us begin the detailed summary. Now, Tricky looks ill. Now, Tricky is a pampered, overfed dog kept by Mrs. Pumphrey. One day, the narrator, who is a veterinary surgeon, Mr. Herriot. Now, James Herriot, the narrator, he's the same fellow, he's a doctor. Now, the surgeon, who's a doctor, sees Mrs. Pumphrey strolling along with her dog. Mr. Herriot is shocked at the dog's appearance. The dog is looking fat and ill. His eyes are red and tongue is hanging out. Now, this was the condition of the dog when Dr. Mr. Herriot sees Tricky, and doctor knows Mrs. Pumphrey very well. Now, Mrs. Pumphrey explains. She explains to Mr. Herriot that the dog was looking weak and listless for some time. Therefore, she thought that he must be suffering from malnutrition. She gave him some malt, cod liver oil, and Horlicks as extra diet apart from normal feed. Actually, Mrs. Pumphrey, she was very rich lady. So she was giving all these kind of thing to the dog when she came to know that the dog is not feeling well. When the doctor asked her whether she had cut down on the sweet things given to Tricky, she replies that she failed because Tricky was fond of cream cakes and chocolates, so she can't bear to refuse him. Means Mrs. Pumphrey, she was in so much of love with the dog that she did not cut down any sweet things. In fact, she started giving the dog, that is Tricky, extra feeds. Now, the another problem. The doctor is upset to know about Tricky's heavy diet. So, in desperation, he asks her whether she is giving him plenty of exercises. But Mrs. Pumphrey replies that Tricky does have little walks but doesn't play games like ring throwing as he earlier used to play. The doctor warns her to keep him on strict diet or he will be seriously ill, because Mrs. Pumphrey, she was feeding a lot, but the dog was not having any sort of exercise. That means the dog was having a very bad health. Now, Tricky falls ill. A few days later, as expected, Dr. Herriot comes to know Tricky has stopped eating and has frequent vomiting. The doctor knows best way to treat him was to get him out of his mistress, that is Mrs. Pumphrey. Therefore, he suggests Tricky to be hospitalized for about a fortnight. Fortnight is for 15 days. So Mrs. Pumphrey was extremely sad and in tears, as she cannot bear the separation from Tricky for such a long time. She gave all the dog's bed, day bed, night bed, cushion, toys, etc., all the necessary things that Tricky was using, so that dog is comfortable in the hospital. Now, Tricky is hospital. When Tricky arrives in surgery was the clinic of Dr. Herriot. He is motionless and lies on the carpet. that other dogs sniff around him and finds him dull and start ignoring him. Means there were too many dogs in the clinic. Nobody bothered to look at this dog, that is Tricky, because he was completely motionless, listless. Dr. Harriet keeps an eye on Tricky and gave plenty of water for 2 days, because the doctor knew that he is overfed. So completely he kept Tricky on water for 2 days. At the end of the second day, Tricky started showing some interest in his surroundings. Like now he was feeling comfortable. So he started looking here and there and taking interest in other dogs also. On the third day, he begins to whimper when he hears the other dogs in the yard. Like he started playing with them, like whimpering them, talking to them in that way. Like he was now feeling very much comfortable. He was happy over there. Now, improvement in Tricky's health. Soon Tricky starts gaining health and became friendly with other dogs. Joe, the greyhound, and the other dogs surround him and befriend him. They started getting friendly with all the other dogs in the clinic. They started getting friendly with Tricky. Dr. Harriet does not give him any medical treatment, and yet Tricky rapidly improves himself and runs about with other dogs with great enthusiasm. Exactly, doctor was keeping him on a very low diet. Like rest of the dogs were given much food, but Tricky was given less because he was already overfed. Now, Mrs. Pomfrey is concerned. Now, she was very much concerned about his lovable dog. All this while, Mrs. Pomfrey keeps on ringing a dozen times a day to have the latest update on Tricky's health. Although Tricky was improving fast, the way Dr. Harriet has thought of. She used to send fresh eggs, brandy, etc., so that Tricky may build up his health fast. But all these things were consumed by Dr. Harriet and his staff, because Harriet knew what are the things that has to be given to the dog and at what time, as already Mrs. Pomfrey has overfed him. Now, Tricky becomes lively and Mrs. Pomfrey is called. Now, she was very much excited when she comes to know that this Tricky is completely well and doctor has called him to take away her dog. Now, however, Dr. Harriet has to phone Mrs. Pomfrey and tells her to collect Tricky. She arrives in a long black car and Dr. Harriet brings the lively dog Tricky, who leaps into her arms as soon as he sees his mistress. Mrs. Pomfrey is startled at a great Mrs. Pomfrey is startled at the great transformation of her dog and exclaims, "This is a triumph of surgery." I hope you must have understood the chapter. It's a very simple one. Now let's do the word meaning. Mistress means owner of Tricky, bloated, swollen up, malnutrition, lack of proper food. Sniff, smell, squashed, crushed, convalescing, recovering, whimper, to produce low, weak, sad cries. Sausage, minced meat, lolled, came out, pathetic, pitiable, wag, moved the tail, surged, moved forward, scrimmage, rough or confused struggle, hover means move over, dodge, avoid. Now let's start with the question and answers. Now I'm going to discuss it. Now, why is Mrs. Pomfrey worried about Tricky? What could be the reason? Now, Mrs. Pomfrey is worried about Tricky's listless condition. Like he was not keeping well, he was not able to walk properly. The dog seems to have no energy because he was overfed. She is worried to think that dog is suffering from malnutrition. Malnutrition, lack of proper food. So this was not the exactly reason. You know the reason that she was that the dog was overfed. So why Mrs. Pomfrey worried about Tricky? Because this dog is listless. In a listless condition, the dog seems to have no energy. She is worried to think that dog is suffering from malnutrition. Okay. Now move on to second question. How did Tricky's appearance trouble the narrator? Now, the Tricky's appearance, this appearance had troubled the narrator. Now, Tricky was hugely fat in appearance, like that of a sausage on 4 legs, deeply troubled the narrator. His eyes were bloodshot and rheumy, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. The narrator's expert eye could immediately see the disaster Tricky was headed off, because the narrator was a doctor and he had been looking after Tricky since long. So the moment he saw that the body of this Tricky, he understood that the dog is in a real trouble. So he informed Mrs. Pomfrey that the condition of the dog is not very good. I hope you have understood. The third question, what news did Dr. Harriet expected? Now, Dr. Harriet knew that something wrong is going to happen the moment he saw. In fact, he has alarmed Mrs. Pomfrey about it. Now, one day what had happened, what news did Dr. Harriet expected? The expected call brought the news of Tricky's illness. He knew that something wrong will happen. Tricky was refusing to eat even his favorite dishes. He had been vomiting and refused to move. He lay on the rug, panting much to the misery of Mrs. Pomfrey. So, Dr. Harriet expected that the way Mrs. Pomfrey has been treating the dog, overfeeding him, it was clear that someday the dog is going to have some problem. What news did Dr. Harriet expected? That the news was that the dog is seriously ill. He is not eating anything, and in spite that he is having vomiting. So now next question is, what was Mrs. Pomfrey's reaction when Dr. Harriet suggested Tricky's hospitalization? Now, the moment doctor said, because doctor knew that this Tricky has to get away from his mistress, then only he can have a good health. So Mrs. Pomfrey was so much shocked at the idea that she fainted. She could not even bear the thought of being separated from her favorite dog for 15 days. So she was not happy that the dog should be hospitalized. But the only option left for the treatment to be cured was that the dog should be hospitalized. Now the next question was, how did the doctor cure Tricky? Now Dr. Harriet understood that overeating and lack of exercise were responsible for Tricky's illness. He was sad to see the poor animal breathing heavily by his side. He patted him and remarked that he knew the cure for him. The cure was a strict diet and physical exercise in the open air. He took the dog to his surgery and put his plan into action. The only treatment that he gave was complete low diet, exercise, and nothing else, and along with the atmosphere that he was playing with the dog. Now, how did Tricky respond to the treatment? What was the response of Tricky when the doctor was treating him? After 2 days of being kept hungry, Tricky was capable of some movement, and he trotted out to join other dogs at mealtime. He licked the scraps they left in their bowls and was then given a bowl of his own. After that, he recovered fast. He was energetic, spent his days running about with other dogs, and thoroughly enjoyed the playful moment. Tricky was soon accepted as a part of the gang. He was happy to be bowled over, tramped on and squashed every time. Tricky fiercely fought for his share of food at meal. At night, he discovered the joy of hunting rats in the old hen house. He was surely on his way to recovery. Means he was completely enjoying with other dogs, and even the treatment, the food, and the exercises that was given to him by Dr. Harriet was completely good for him. So Tricky has been giving a good response to the treatment given to him. Now this is the end of your first chapter. So I hope you have understood the question answers as well as the summary and the chapter. So what you can do, just try to write all these question answers in your copies. Don't do anything else. If you want, you can write the word meanings also if you want only. Otherwise, do these question answers and the exercise that is given in, at the end of your chapter.